Hi everyone. If you want to change countries or regions on off, you just want to allow access on your exact location on off, you can do on your Brave browser by doing this. So open your Brave browser first. Okay. For Senke, if you use your Brave VPN in your setting icon here, you can see, and then click it, and here you can see your location. Like if you live in United States or Canada or what country, you can change here. But here's I don't have Brave VPN, so I will clearly explain to you how to do if you want to allow access location or if you want to change location access, how to do. Okay, so click your three horizontal lines and go to settings. Okay, after that, go to your privacy and security in left corner. Okay, and then what you need to do is go to site and show setting. Okay, so here what you can see is permission, location, camera, microphone, noti. So if you want to give a set your location here, okay, so if you want to give access to the site that can only ask for your location, just click site can ask for your location. On off, you just want to don't allow site to see your location because the result of your search will appear based on your location. So in some case, if you don't want to allow your site, just click don't allow site to see your location. So if you customize like this, your stylist will not be see your location as usual. So if you want to make sure to ask for your location for the site that you go, you just click it, and you can also how to show requests. Collect all requests on off collect and water requests, or if you want to expand all requests, you can choose this. So this is how to change countries or region in your Brave browser. If you don't want to know, it's okay. Just click down alongside to see your location. That's all. But in some case, as I mentioned before, you can change when you use Brave VPN here. Open your new tab and you can see setting icon here. Here I don't have Brave VPN. If you use Brave VPN, you can change your location based on your VPN. On off, if you just want to add your VPN as an extension, you can also add from extension here. Go to many extensions and try to find what you want. You can discover on the web search and download a VPN that you want to add, and then you can also change location from here. Okay, so I will show you as an instant. Just add to your Braze and add extension. Wait for a while and then it successfully download to your Brave browser. Here you can check. Okay, after downloading, go to your new tab and you can check extension section here. If you're sure you want to use Avon VPN proxy, just click it and you can set your location here. If you're the one who use Brave VPN, you can change from location from here on off. If you use extension VPN, you can change your location. If you want to change Austria or whatever you want to change, you can change. And then it's already connected to Austria like this. So this is how to change countries or region in your Brave browser. You can use whatever method as your preference. If you're the one who use Brave VPN, you can change from here or not. If you just want to allow or not allow site to see your location, you can change from your setting or not. You just want to change your location by using VPN extension, you can choose this method. That's all. I hope this video gonna help you a lot if you're the one who want to change locations or region on Brave browser. See you, bets.